Good morning, retail traders. This is a sneaky snake trading strategy where I talk about chart patterns and moving averages and being in the now. And today we're going to talk about being in the now. Now, I've heard of things getting burned out and getting old and kind of getting worn out, kind of moving on to something new. So today's lesson is to how to think ahead, maybe. We're going to look at some MeMe stocks. MeMe stocks. Right now we got GME at an all-time, well, not, I don't know if it's an all-time low, but definitely a double bottom here on 180 days. So let's look at the bigger picture here. 3-year, definitely a 3-year low. GME, cheap, old MeMe stock that has its ups and downs, and we're squeezing now with a downward wedge, which is a possible trade right here. And then we also have AMC. Now, is it time to throw out the old bath water and put in some new bath water? So we got AMC in the same kind of predicament, way in debt. Interest rates are way too high. Mortgages, I mean, they're having a real hard time. And this is an only trade for momentum, and that's it. It has nothing to do with news or how good the company is or anything to do with that. So, it's at its, maybe, is it burned out? Or is this all-time low that we're just played out here yesterday at maybe a bottom to get into the trade and start running them back up? Maybe have it fingers crossed. Well, there's two more that have come into play. One of them is the Donald J. Trump, which has had a nice little run, pull back, and another breakout that's kind of in the news, that's had a pullback to the 9. That could be an opportunity here. Let me clean this up so we can see it a little bit better. See how we've hugged the 9 here? And this is on the weekly. And yesterday we hit the 9 again. So if we hit that 9 again today, $40-50 or something, $45, I might take a gander at it and trade it. So it's one to add to your watch list. Is this the new MeMe stock that could have a nice little breakout, or is it going to be one of them that has the Donald's name on it and will end up pulling back pretty hard and then finding a nice bounce off the 21 EMA on the weekly? Or this is the SMA. Then we got another one, and that is the, what is that? Reddit. RDDT. Well, these take over. Here's a brand new IPO. It's pulled back to $45. Is it in the same boat as the other ones are? Let's clean this up. I've got it all figured out how I want to trade it. Whoops. I want to clean this up. So this is the weekly. And we're definitely, had a weekly low yesterday. 20-day, 1 hour, we had the double bottom yesterday. So this has a possibility of breaking out of a snake, pulling back and having a double top right around 70, maybe, or even halfway, create a shoulder line right around $60. So it could be one to watch. I just wanted to bring it to your attention that this could be an idea where, where the old wants to get thrown out, but we're at such good lows on these stocks. AMC's a pump and dump. Okay? Anybody that trades AMC knows what they're getting into. And we had one heck of a pullback on this in the last couple of days. The company's worthless, but it's a one of a kind. And same with GME. Now it's come down and had an all-time low. So they're both kind of tasty for a rebound to the 200 maybe. Same as AMC here. Back to the 200, around 414. Long. That'd be it. That'd be a hard resistance to break. Or do we start concentrating on Reddit, which is set up also for a reversal with the 9 crossing over the 21. We got a long snake here, kind of a downward wedge. So this is set up too to break out, maybe pull back and have a boom to a double top. And then the Donald. Also set up to a pivot point area. We have to kind of see how this thing reacts. Does it want to pull back more to this head and shoulders line right around 37 and be a stronger buy? Just something to think about. So they're all kind of set up for reversals, but we could always kind of look around for different MeMe stocks, and those are just 2 that I'm thinking of right now that are new to the game. So this is the sneaky snake trading strategy, where I like to talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. And being in the now is kind of changing your strategy around and adding to your watch list. And have a great day, retail traders.